Hello class. So I hope you all are good and fine. So class, today we discuss about physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Okay? Unit 3. So in physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle, we are talking about first point is meaning of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Okay class? So now second point is importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Okay. So first point is meaning of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Now second point is importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Okay class. So first we started for meaning of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. About the meaning of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. And also we're discussing about the importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. So class, let's start it. To the first point is meaning of physical fitness. Okay. So in this meaning of physical fitness, so physical fitness is one's ability to execute daily activities with optimal performance, endurance and strength with the management of disease. Okay. Fatigue and stress and reduce sedentary behavior. Okay class. So basically, the meaning of physical fitness is physical fitness is the ability to execute daily activity with optimal performance, endurance, and strength, with the management of disease, fatigue, and stress, and also reduce sedentary behavior. Okay, class? So, this is the meaning of physical fitness. So, let's move next page. So, in next page, um, the author of Clark was saying this the definition of the physical fitness, the ability to carry out daily tasks, work and play with vigor and alertness without undue fatigue and with ample energy to enjoy leisure time pursuit and to meet unforeseen emergencies. Okay, so this is the written by the Clark. Okay class, so this is a definition of the physical fitness. So let's move next page. So this is the components of फिजिकल फिटनेस. सो क्लास बेसिकली जो हमारा फिजिकल फिटनेस को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज हेल्थ रिलेटेड फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड सेकेंड इज मोटर स्किल रिलेटेड फिजिकल फिटनेस. ओके, सो इन health related physical fitness, so some these factors or some others options are there. So first option is your or fitness type is muscular strength, muscular endurance, uh, circular endurance and flexibility, body composition, means freedom of obesity. Okay class, so this is the health related physical fitness. And second type of physical fitness is motor skill related physical fitness. Okay, so in this point of the many factors are coming. So first is speed, muscular power, agility, balance, coordination, reaction ability. Okay class, and also know the this is the components of the physical fitness basically. So the first number is cardiorespiratory fitness, means your respiratory systems and including the your heart. Okay class, so second is strength, means power, your muscles power. Second is power, मतलब means कि full whole body power including to your muscles, organs. Okay class, so next is speed, means speed, your how much you going to body, or how much you go to maximum, take to your maximum speed. Okay, so next is flexibility. Basically, you know ki flexibility is the maximum reaching point of the joints, so called is a flexibility. Okay class. And last one is muscular endurance, means your muscular या muscular जो पॉइंट्स है, मांसपेशियाँ जो आपकी होती है, उसमें जो स्टेमिना और विल पावर टाइप्स के जो होते हैं, उसको हम मस्कुलर एंडोरेंस कहते हैं, जस्ट लाइक इन स्टेमिना कॉलिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव नेक्स्ट पेज. So in next page we talking about the importance of physical fitness. Okay, so basically you know important, the physical fitness is a very important for human. So basically you see the many type persons. So first is a doctor, engineer, and also one is a teacher physical fitness, and also you see the some professional player physical fitness. There are many different in his and her physical fitness, okay, fitness levels. So basically the talk, our point is important, how much important to of physical fitness in your life. So physical activity or exercise can improve your health and reduce the risk of developing several diseases like type 2 diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Okay class. So and also the physical activity and exercise giving you a सर्वल डेवलपिंग मीन्स आपके अंदर एक रोग प्रतिरोधक कैपेसिटी को डेवलप करता है. जस्ट लाइक यू हैव इफ़ यू हैव अ कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीज, डायबिटीज, कैंसर, जस्ट लाइक other disease cannot harm to you if you doing regularly physical activity and or exercise. Okay, so physical activity can have immediate and long term health benefits. Most importantly, regular activity can improve your quality of life. Okay, so class, it means कि आपकी जो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी और एक्सरसाइज है वो आपके हेल्थ को लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट्स प्रोवाइड करता है, और ऑल्सो आपके जो लाइफ स्टाइल है उसको एक गुड क्वालिटी या इम्प्रूव करने में ज़्यादा कारगर होता है. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव नेक्स्ट पेज. So in next page we see the diagram of the importance of physical fitness. So in this diagram, first number is to live. So how much important of your life of physical fitness, in your physical fitness. Okay, so first number is to live long and healthy life. Second, enjoy life more, keep body fat off, boost energy, strength and stamina, make bones strong, improve your mood, and last one is sharp mind. Okay class, so this is the importance of physical fitness. Okay, so let's move next page. In next page we're talking about the benefit of exercise. Okay class, so in this point, first point is help you control your weight, reduce your risk of heart disease, help your body manage blood sugar and insulin level. Okay, help you quit smoking, improve your mental health and mood, help keep your thinking, learning and judgmental skills sharp as you age. Okay class, so these are benefit of your physical exercise and activities. Okay, so let's move next page. So now we're talking about meaning of physical wellness. Okay, so basically physical wellness is the ability to maintain a healthy quality of life that allows us to get through our daily activities, okay, without undue fatigue or physical stress. Okay class, again I repeat this. Physical wellness is the ability to maintain a healthy quality of life that allow us to get through our daily activities without undue fatigue or physical stress. Okay class? So let's move next page. So next page we saw this diagram means wellness how much important to us. So basically the wellness working for some other areas just like physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, social and environmental. Okay class? So let's move next page. So in next page we're talking about the importance of wellness. Okay. So in this topic, physical wellness promotes proper care of our bodies for optimal health and functioning. There are many elements of physical wellness that all must be cared for together. Overall, physical wellness encourages the balance of physical activity, nutrition, and mental well being to keep your body in top condition. Okay, class? So, this is a importance of wellness. So, let's move next page. So, now we see this diagram. So, what is the how much important to wellness in your life? So, first is prevention of disease, harmonious growth and development, and last one is quality of life. Okay class? So let's move next page. So in next page we are talking about meaning of lifestyle. Okay. So in lifestyle, physically activity is a behavior that is broadly defined as any bodily movements. Okay. So produced by the contraction of muscles that substantially increases energy expenditure. This type of behavior can be accumulated during one's daily routine by practicing in 30 or more minutes of self-selected physical activity. Okay class? So again I repeat this point. Lifestyle physical activity is a behavior that is broadly defined as any bodily movements produced by the construction of muscles that substantially increase energy expenditure. This type of behavior can be accumulated during one's daily routine by participating in 30 or more minutes to self-selected physical activities. Okay class? So this is the meaning of lifestyle. So let's move next page. So in next page we are talking about importance of lifestyle. Okay. So physical activity or exercise can improve your health and reduce the risk of developing several disease like type 2 disease, cancer and cardiovascular disease. Okay. Physical activity exercise can have a immediate long term health benefits. More important, regular activity can improve your quality of life. Okay class, so this is the importance of lifestyle. So class, I hope you all know about the and understanding the what is the meaning and importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. So class, stay fit, stay healthy and thank you class.